Okay, ladies and gentlemen, well, I decided to take the Prowler out, probably only the third time this year, and I have not serviced it in about 4 or 5 years, so we're going to give it a run. All right, we're back on the prowl. Traby here, and we're going to take the Prowler in for service at a local Dodge dealer. What I normally do, because I only drive a few times a year, is I check it a 485 loop around Charlotte. The 99 Prowler now has 45,000 miles. It's feeling pretty good. We're just along in 80s and feeling this great weather. Oh yeah, it's a beautiful October day here. See up here at the Kefler Dodge. And now we're in the main area here, and they just checked the car out. We're going in for some basic service. We should be in good shape. We don't need much, but we're going to get it right. I'm also happy to check it out.